What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a quick look at the Boost Industries GD-43X blue LED lit gaming desk. If you're a single person living alone, you'll be happy to know that the desk can be assembled by one person. It's a breeze. On average, the desk can be fully assembled within 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let me immediately say, don't let its slim profile fool you. At a glance, any structural engineer will assure you it's a very clever and extremely sturdy design. Not only is it capable of holding two mid to large size monitors, it can support up to 176 pounds. Built with esports in mind, the GD43X comes with a gorgeous carbon fiber wrapped desktop. The textured finish will attract less fingerprints, and it makes for super easy cleanup after a few snacks. The desktop is equipped with rounded corners and an ergonomic curve in front, perfect for those moments when you must get right up into your monitor. To take the leap into the next realm, simply dim or turn off your lights and become fully immersed in the ambience produced by the blue LEDs.
Available online at avgearshop.com.